In the heart of the quaint town of Starville, two best friends, Jake and Tim, anxiously await the announcement of their science teacher's new project. Ms. Johnson, their enthusiastic science teacher, announces a new project that ignites Jake and Tim's passion for science. They are to build a rocket. Fueled by their shared love for science, Jake and Tim immerse themselves in planning the rocket project, their minds brimming with ideas and possibilities. Overcoming the hurdle of limited resources, Jake and Tim venture into their town's forgotten nooks, seeking discarded treasures that could bring their rocket to life. As their ambitious project progresses, conflicting ideas begin to threaten their friendship. Disagreements arise, challenging their ability to work together harmoniously. Desperate for a solution, Jake and Tim turn to their trusted science teacher, Mrs. Johnson. With her wise words and nurturing guidance, she becomes their beacon of hope. Testing day arrives, and Jake and Tim's hearts race with anticipation. The culmination of their hard work rests on the success of their rocket launch. A collective gasp fills the air as the rocket fails to launch, leaving Jake and Tim devastated. Doubts creep into their minds, threatening to extinguish their passion for science. Resilience sparks within Jake and Tim's hearts as they refuse to let failure define them. Together, they brainstorm a creative solution, striving to overcome the setbacks they encountered. Unbeknownst to Jake and Tim, their rival Max, consumed by jealousy, plots to sabotage their rocket's chance to shine. His envy fuels his malevolent actions. Jake and Tim stand tall, their eyes gleaming with hope and determination, as they showcase their resilient spirit and remarkable innovation at the science fair. Jake and Tim's unwavering dedication pays off as the judges recognize their remarkable achievements. With newfound confidence and inspiration, they inspire their small town to reach for the stars. Jake and Tim's love for science becomes a catalyst for change as they encourage and mentor other young minds, ushering in a new era of exploration and boundless possibilities in Starville.